why are all these companies open sourcing their models, right? Like, why is Facebook, Meta, like open sourcing their Llama model so that you're on Facebook and on Instagram and you can ask an AI just like what you would ask ChatGPT, and it's free. It doesn't have the best like UX that like ChatGPT does, where it's got like a nice window and everything. But essentially, what Facebook is doing with their foundation model is, hey, me and Sid can use this thing for free. But if you're a company that's basing your like integrations with it, if you are using Llama as part of your like solution that you've created, right? So say a big thing that I'm going to be using for our videos is a software called Descript, which like pulls all of our video, puts it into text format, and then like chunks it into pieces so that we can pull like the best highlights out of it. And it's done great. If you were using Llama to do that, because it's free to test, it's free to use, and I could kind of use it kind of one-offs as I'm like fine tuning it, like I'm getting it better, like I'm like adjusting my prompt to interact with it better. When I go to scale that to like enterprise level, whenever I say, all right, I'm done building, I'm now going to put this out into the world, the API, so the connection to that from like an enterprise level, that's what they're charging. So last week, whenever I was talking, or when I've watched the videos 3 or 4 times of our things, when I watched us talk or listened to us talk, we were talking about how Google had open sourced their physics model. And I was like, why would, because this thing, like, it costs Facebook like a estimated like $100 million to create this foundation model. Why would you open source it? And I couldn't understand it. But there's always a play to monetize at some point. And so Google is putting out into the world their Python code for physics